There's been a lot of attention focused on the wildfires that are raging in California right now, and particularly on the immediate loss of life that's occurring. But it's also important to keep in mind that wildfires are contributing to regional air quality problems in California and even beyond. And it's also important to note that climate change is playing a role in the intensification of wildfires because of the drying of the soil, basically more moisture going into the air as the air gets warmer, and therefore letting the soils dry out, and that promotes greater risk of ignition and continuation in the large-scale wildfires. There hasn't been a huge amount of epidemiologic work yet, but we're starting to see evidence that smoke from wildfires with the fine particles and other components seem to affect human health in much the same way that other kinds of particle pollution do, exacerbating respiratory diseases, also causing emergency room visits and hospital admissions for cardiovascular outcomes. So it looks like wildfire smoke is very much like the air pollution that we've been trying to deal with for many years in the United States. But this is a particularly big challenge because we have fewer levers of control, and ideally we need to reduce our impact on climate change, and that would probably be the best way to try to limit this issue.